All right, today I want to show you exactly what I keep in my B camera bag, which is also my travel bag. If you haven't seen what I keep in my A camera bag, you can check that out right here. But with that being said, let's get into it. All right, so this is the Nomadic 35-liter bag, the Peter Mckinnon edition. And I really love this bag because it's not only a camera bag, it's also a bag you can put your clothes in, you can have your laptop, your water bottle. You can put so much stuff in this bag. So let's get into what I keep in here. All right, and here's the overhead view of what I keep in my camera bag. All right, let's start off with my favorite item in my bag, the Sony A7S III with the 24 to 70 millimeter lens on there. The G series lens. Yeah, absolutely love this camera and this setup. And honestly, I think this is one of the best hybrid cameras out there. I love that it takes photos as well, because anytime I'm traveling, you know I'm out there taking photos. I can't help myself. So yeah, by far one of my favorite cameras ever. And then I also want to mention that I have the small rig cage on there. You can see, I think it's extremely important you get a cage for your camera because I accidentally dropped this thing a year ago in Sedona. You can actually see, you can see the scuff marks, maybe right here. But yeah, I accidentally dropped it from like 4 feet and it's all good. Camera's still running. So get yourself a cage. All right, next I want to talk about the audio I use, the DJI Mic Minis. I'm actually using it right now to record this video, but yeah, I love the Mic Minis. Super simple to set up. Just all around a pretty good product. So it's affordable and yeah, I love it. Got the dead cats on there as well. So if it's windy outside, you can always throw that on. And then if I don't want to use the DJI Mic Minis, I always have my fallback, which is the Rode Video Micro. This little thing right here comes with the dead cat. So this one's easy. You just throw it on the hot shoe, tighten it up, plug it in, good to go. I mean, it's pretty much the same setup time as the Mic Minis. So, and then with my audio setups, I always have my headphones. These are the Sony Professional headphones. See that? Professional. Yeah, these are nice. I don't actually take this, don't take this with me when I travel, but I do use this for interviews and things like that. So, and then I always have a strap because when I go travel, I like to hang my camera around my neck so I can easily take pictures and things like that. So I usually have it off because I don't travel as much as I like to, and I don't like having a strap on when, you know, I'm doing interviews or trying to put it on a gimbal or things like that. But yeah, I have the strap right here. It is made by Couch, handmade, so pretty cool. Another item I like to have is this mini tripod by Manfrotto. Yeah, this thing's pretty slick because it's so tiny, and then you just screw it onto your camera. Obviously not the FX6, but like the Sony A7S III, and then I can just put it wherever and then do a vlog or whatever. Or if I want to do a time-lapse photography or something like that, or a long exposure photography, I can do that. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool. One item I can't go without is the K&F Concept. This is my variable ND filter. So yeah, gotta have it, especially out here in Arizona where it's super sunny outside. So this is a screw on. So yeah, gotta have the VNDs out here. If you don't have one, I highly recommend you get one. All right, and then we got the standard battery setup, you know, got the charger with the cables. And the cool thing that came with this bag is the battery, I guess, pack. So you can keep your batteries in here, which I really like. And then they also have these stickers. So if it's dead, you can put a red sticker on there and then put it in here with the red sticker up, showing that, oh, hey, that needs to be charged. So I like it. Then I also have the Think Tank memory card memory card holder. I got all my stuff in here. I really don't use a lot of these. I mainly use the CF Express card for the FX6 and then the SD card for the, which one am I using? I'm usually using this one for my A7S III, so yeah. Comes in handy, gotta stay organized out here. All right, and then I got the air blower. Gotta have this. Lens is dusty, camera's dirty, just blow it off. Always have to have a microfiber cloth. You know, you never know when your lens is gonna get dirty, so you can just wipe that off. So. And then I have the lens hood. I never use this. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know. I like lens flare to an extent, but yeah, I never put this on. So maybe I should start. All right, then here on the back of the bag, I keep some miscellaneous stuff. So down here, I have various screws. You can see that. I always have quarters. Quarters always come in handy when I need to screw things in if I don't have a screwdriver. I got a charging block, USB-C. And then up here is where I keep all my various cables. I have Lightning, USB-C, A, micro, yeah, a whole bunch of different various types right here. So those come in handy. And then up here is where you can put your laptop, files, papers, or whatever else you want. And that's it for that. A lot of the times for me, I like to keep my laptop here in the back. So I'll just slide it in here. It's nice and padded. So it's a good spot for that. Another cool feature of this bag is it has this like little, I don't know, whatever this is. So you can put it on your luggage, slide it in there, and then you can roll it around. And then here in the front, I keep some more cables. I have a USB-C to C and then an HDMI cable. You can also put whatever else you want in here, clothes. Usually I have a stinger in here. But yeah, I mean, the options are endless, to be honest. And then if your bag is too full, you can unzip it right here. And it kind of extends it out a little bit to give you some more space. And then you have a water bottle holder right here. So yeah. All right, so there you have it. That is my B camera bag, the Nomadic 35 liter Peter Mckinnon edition, and everything I keep in it. Let me know what your go-to travel bag is and what gear you use, because this thing is low-key kind of big and I might want to downgrade, so let me know. But that's gonna be it for this video. God bless, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.